Hello, this is Bhavesh, and we are doing the book Moments by CBSE for class ninth. And this is the sixth chapter, Weathering the Storm in Irsama. And we are doing the part about the talk about it and suggested reading. The question 1 asks us to talk about the preparedness of the community for a natural disaster. Here we can you can talk about evacuation plans and rehabilitation, permanent safe shelters, warming system, warning system, relief efforts, building materials to withstand cyclone, flood or earthquake, that is safe housing, and people's organization of their own rescue as well as the survival instinct, etc. So, to approach the answer, we start with that we are part of a community. This whole world is a family in a way, and everyone should help each other, especially during the times of disaster and need. The natural calamities may occur at any point of time. We have witnessed many such natural disasters which cause devastation all around. Occurrence of such calamities is not under our control, but to prepare ourselves to face such devastation is under our control. The continuation of the answer 1. If precautions are taken timely and responsibly, the effects of such calamities may be reduced. It is necessary to tackle all the problems in a pre-devised way, and we should follow the instructions carefully and with a calm mind. For this purpose, we should adopt the following points and discuss them. The first being evacuation plans, followed by rehabilitation process. Then permanent safe shelters should be present to serve the people. We should install warning systems. There shall be relief efforts. Building materials to withstand cyclone, flood, earthquake, or any other famine. People's organization of their own rescue. And lastly, the survival instinct, etc., should be present in everyone, and everyone should be working with a calm mind and keep all the dangers in the mind which are possible at any time. At the end of the chapter, we are provided with some suggested readings by CBSE for the students who read this chapter. First, A Home on the Street, a story by Mr. Harsh Mandir. Another one being Paying for His Tea by again Mr. Harsh Mandir. And lastly, Iton Munda Won the Battle by Miss Mahashweta Devi. Thanks a lot for listening.